In today's video, I will show you how you can migrate your Lovable project from Lovable to Base44. You can see I am currently inside Base44. You can use the first link in the description to open it and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, this is the interface you will see. Click on the plus icon over here and you will find a new option that says Migrate from another platform. Click on it and here you will find various platforms such as WordPress, Salesforce, HubSpot, and Shopify. Click on Show More, and you will also get the option to migrate from Lovable and Bolt.new. I will select Lovable and then click on Continue. Now, in order to import your project, you will see that there are a few requirements. The first requirement is that to import the app UI and structure, you need to connect GitHub. Then, to import the app data and database, you need to provide the Superbase URL. Click on Connect. Here, it will ask you to sign in to your GitHub account. You can either enter your email ID and password manually or click on Continue with Google and select the Gmail ID linked to your GitHub account. You will see a message saying that Base44 Builder wants access to your GitHub account. Authorizing this allows the app to verify your GitHub identity, understand which resources you can access, and perform actions on your behalf. Click on Authorize. After this, you will get the option to choose which repositories you want to import. You can either allow access to all repositories or select specific ones. If you only want to import a particular repository, click on the option to select repositories and choose the one you need. Once you've selected it, click on Install. Now your GitHub account has been successfully connected. The next step is to provide the Superbase URL. Before you do that, you need to make sure that your Lovable project or account is connected to Superbase and that you are already logged into Superbase in your browser. I already have a Superbase account, but I have not yet connected it to Lovable so that I can show you the process. Open the project that you want to import. Click here and then go to Settings. Alternatively, you can directly click on Connectors, which will show you all available integrations. You can scroll down manually or search for Superbase. Once you find it, click on it and then click on Connect Superbase. You will see a list of permissions that you are granting. Scroll down and you will see your Superbase organization name. If you want, you can change it, but since I only have one organization, I will keep it as default and click on Authorize Lovable. Now you can see that Superbase is connecting to Lovable. If you have already done this step earlier, you don't need to repeat it. Once the connection is successful, the next step is to move or save your project inside Superbase. This is our project, so click on the cloud-like icon. You will see a message about enabling Lovable Cloud, which is the default option, but we don't want that. Instead, we want to connect it to Superbase. You can see an option that says you already have a Superbase project connected here. Click on it and it will ask you to link your Lovable workspace to Superbase. Click on Continue and then Connect. Now your project has been successfully connected to Superbase. Next, we need to provide the Superbase URL. Click on the first option and it will open the project in Superbase. From here, copy the project URL. Now go back to Base44 and paste the URL here. Next, it asks for the service role key. To get this, go back to Superbase, scroll down, and click on API Keys. Here you will see the keys for your project. Click on Legacy Anonymous Service Role API Keys. We have our Service Role API key here. Click on Reveal and then Copy. Make sure you do not copy the wrong keys. This is a very sensitive key, so do not share it with anyone. Now go back to Base44 and paste the service role key here, and then click on Connect. Once you do this, you will see that Base44 has automatically added the Lovable source code as a file and created a prompt to import the app. Now, according to Base44's documentation, after clicking Connect, you should see an option called Choose Entities to Migrate, where you can select specific elements to import. But right now, that option is not visible. It may be added in future updates, or if you know how to fix this, you can share it in the comments. After this, simply press Enter. Now, using the data and source code from Lovable, Base44 will start rebuilding the same application. On the left-hand side, you can see that it is fetching the source code through the connections we provided. After waiting for some time, you will see that the same website we created in Lovable is now displayed inside Base44. As you can see, this is the version inside Base44, and this is how it looks in Lovable. Both are almost identical. The logo, the Add Transaction button, and the layout are all the same, and everything is functioning properly. So this is how you can migrate your project from Lovable to Base44 and then continue modifying it according to your needs. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build a website using Base44, you can check out this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.